Hey guys, it's Jeff. Got a video for you. If you were an early adopter of the Smith and Wesson pistol lines, then you were not offered an optic cut in your pistol. Now, they obviously came out with them a little later. Smith and Wesson's known for producing a product without the slide cuts for the optics and then later introducing those. Well, they got me a few times. Bought into the Smith and Wesson line early on a lot of these products. This is an early M2 5-inch pistol, so you can see there's no optic cut on there. So what do you do if you got an option, or you got a pistol that's configured like this one is configured? Well, I have an option for you coming up. Alright guys, I'm back. Thanks for checking out this video. This is going to be a quick little video. It's not going to be very extensive, but if you like this kind of content, you like what I'm doing, you want to help a small creator, please like, subscribe, share with friends. You can join my my Rumble page and do the same over there, so get this information out. I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, or X, and on Facebook. So if you want to engage with me, I post a little content that's not always related to guns on Instagram. So you'll get a little different side of me there if that's interesting to you. But at any rate, this video is about a non-cut slide for your Smith & Wesson. So if you've got an optic and you're an early adopter, what do you do? Well, Smith & Wesson has recently introduced an option for you, or I don't know how recent it is, but I just discovered it, so I thought I'd bring it to you guys. They're selling slides now. So you can pick up a complete slide, a slide that has all of the components necessary for you to do the swap out. Let me show you what comes in this. So you get your slide here. This is their basic packaging. So you get your slide here, and it is cut for RMS, or RMR rather. This is an RMR cut, and it does ship with the plates. So you can see this is the plate kit for the M&P 2.0, the core 9mm. So you do get your plates in here. You get screws, the whole bit. But so this is the slide. It's got suppressor height sights. I like to try to co-witness as much as possible where I can, when I can. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that with this. Once it's down inside there, it doesn't look like it. But anyway, I'll get it on. I'll get it all configured for you, and I'll let you see it. But just know this is an option. It does come with the forward serration. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick swap out just so you guys see that it is a 1-for-1. I'm going to try to do this off of camera just so I do not get restricted, but it all takes a matter of seconds to do. So if you've ever cleaned your pistol, you know that this is not a complex problem. But you know, Google can be kind of weird about these things. So this is what it looks like when it's all set up and configured. And now you have forward serrations, you have suppressor height sights, and you have the RMR cut with plates for your RMR pistols. So anyway, or pistol optics. So anyway, this is a pretty quick little video. Not a lot of information to put out on this. I will have a link to this in my campsite links in the bottom in the description there. So if it's something you want to check out, just know they have discounts for veterans and first responders. So if you are one of those and you want to apply to their program, this whole thing was $250. So wasn't super expensive to get a really cool upgrade and breathe some life back into your old first gen or first opportunity pistols. So again, they have them for the Shield Plus as well. So I don't know if I'll do that yet on the Shield. I've been carrying the 365 a little more lately, but it is an option if you want it. So anyway, with that, guys, I'm going to say stay safe, stay active, stay in the fight, because the fight for your rights never ends. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.